Hello, it's Crafty Ria. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today is Happy Mail Day. I went to the post office box and I picked up these 3 packages, and let's open them and see what we have. I'm going to set them aside. This one is from Dawn, and she is in the group Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. I will link that group below. We do a lot of swapping and all sorts of fun things like that. So I'm assuming this is a swap or a wish or something like that from that group. So right away I found some candy, some Hershey's miniatures. That will be fun. I will set those aside. They smell so good. Alrighty, and then inside is, let's see the note. It says, oh, that's so cute. That is a peacock, and it says beautiful. I love that. I love peacocks. Let's see, it is for a tag. It's the fall flip tag. I still have to make my fall flip tag and send it out, and I will show you a video of my flip tag. Maybe we'll make that together. Alrighty, so here is the fall flip tag. It's got some gorgeous ribbons, and we even have some spider ribbon. I'll pretend it's not spiders. And a flip tag is just several tag-shaped items on usually a binder ring or some sort of a round ring. And you just flip through it, and there's usually some extra goodies on there, things like that. This one here has a spider charm. And we have some washi tape. And we have a paper clip with the skull and crossbones. And then this says I don't know which way it's supposed to go, so I will start. I bet this is the back. This might be the front. I'm going to start on this side because this seems like it's the front. So we have a skeleton, and it says wake up. This is from the Day of the Dead, which I love sugar skulls and Day of the Dead items. They're so cool. And then on the back of that one, there's another sugar skull, and it says Creep It Real. Very cool. And there's some of that spider ribbon. Very cool. And this one is Halloween Ghosts. The ghost, I don't know if you can see them. There you go. It is very sparkly. And it's got this neat raffia piece behind it. Very cool. And these tags feel to be maybe a lightweight wood or a very heavyweight. It's probably chipboard. And here we have another cool skeleton with the bling at all of his joints. That's really cute. I like that one. So cool. And then this page, nope, I went backwards. This page, I'm not doing this flip book very good. All right, so we have this other cute ghost, and he is a very cute ghost. He is really sparkly as well. And then the very back, something wicked this way comes. Very cool. Thank you so much, Dawn. This is a beautiful flip tag. I will display it in my craft room, and before I take the washi off and use it for anything, or the spider charm. That is so cool. Thank you so much. I really, really like it. And for the little bonus peacock and the bonus candy. Thank you, thank you. Let me put this candy away. I'll put it all right in there, because then what I do is I take a picture and I post it in the group. All right, and this next package comes all the way from Ireland, and this is from Jeanette. or Janet. She is one of my viewers, and she's also a member of that group. I don't want to cut what's inside. I think the blade on my envelope opener is becoming quite dull. Let's see, there's the little tag in here. This is from a mix of wishes. And we have a really, really full envelope. Okay, all right. And this is from Janet in Ireland. We have some pretty Christmas stickers. And it looks like some Christmas cards, more cards to recycle. She recently sent me a beautiful package of cards to recycle, but that's cool. It says 18. And on your 4th birthday, this looks like a vintage card. So pretty. Oh, I love these trees. They're so, so pretty. And some are gold metallic. Love them. And this is 18, time to party. And the back is wood. And this cat looks really mad. Sitting there at that Christmas tree. Maybe because the mouse is on the top. I don't know. And that's really pretty. It says deck the halls with some red foil. And here's an inside of a card. And that's really pretty. Christmas wishes and away in a manger. Very pretty wreath and a Christmas tree. This one's really pretty. It's gold, metallic gold, Christmas greetings. That would be pretty in a frame. And that is really pretty too. And I love this one. So pretty. I'm trying to show you the gold on there, but it's just glaring across the whole card. Very, very pretty. And this is a neat Santa. He looks pretty vintage. Happy Christmas. And that, I think, has a vintage feel as well. Very cool. A Christmas wish just for you. And this is textured or embossed a little bit. There you go. You can see the different levels on that. And that one is very pretty. Again, that looks very vintage. Happy Christmas. Very cute. Trying to show you without a glare. And Santa at his workshop. Wishing you a happy Christmas. That's very pretty. And another one that has a vintage feel. Very, very pretty cards. That's a really cute little guy. Merry Slothmas. Sloths are so popular now. That'll be fun to make into a card. And this sweet little kitty. Again, that reminds me of something vintage. And this one says for a special daughter, which you don't even need to use that top part. You could just use it and maybe do it so the door opens. I don't know. We'll have to play around with that one. And this one says you're 6 today. That's such a pretty bright card. I love it. And there 3 no more. Now you're 4. That's so cute. And that is just a beautiful image right there. Love those cards. Thank you so much. And let me see, we got a baggie of goodies. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. There we go. I'm going to need my scissors. I'm not very good at opening things today. I will cut that off right there. And let's see what kind of goodies are in here. These look like foam shapes. We have an elf and a Santa, some Christmas trees. These are really pretty. The glittery one, and more elves and a reindeer. Cute little snowman on a little clothespin. Some of those would be good for accents on a recycled card. Most of this stuff would be good accents on recycled cards. We have cute little present and some more of the Santas and the elves. And a little, these are really cool. They're plaid on these wood shapes. It's a pretty wooden snowman. Very pretty. And we have the nutcrackers. Those are pretty. I think they might be like gift tags or whatever, but they would be cute on a card as well. And another snowman on a clothespin, mini clothespin. Oh, and these reindeer that are glittery, and a little bottle brush tree. Let's see if I can get it up here in the camera. I don't know which way my hands are going. There we go. And he's a gold reindeer. And some tags. Those are pretty gift tags. And we have some more glitter shapes, which I love. Anything glittery, that is always on my wish list. Always the cards to recycle and things that are glittery. And I think this last time I put Christmas embellishments on my wish list. That's a very pretty snowman. I love snowmen. We have some more goodies. I like these snowflakes. They're really cool. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, Janet. I really appreciate it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all of this stuff back in here. I know I'll put it all back in this big one. Alrighty, and the last package came from Amazon, but I think it might be one of my wishes. Someone told me she was granting something from my Amazon wish list, and this is again from that same group, Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. And this is from Dawn. And she did say she was granting me something from Amazon. And these look like notepads that have peacocks. They're so pretty. Oh, I love them. And I use notepads like this all the time on my desk, both here on my craft desk when I just want to jot down a note, and also on my work desk. So these will definitely, all four of these will definitely come in handy. I love them. Love them. Thank you, Dawn. That is perfect. And they will really, really come in handy. I can really use those. Thank you so, so, so much. Thank you, everyone who sent me goodies. And I will post the Facebook group below, the Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. It's a great group. We have a lot of fun. We trade all kinds of goodies in the mail. Look forward to my tag, my fall tag that I will be making, the flip book. I will be doing a video on that pretty soon. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I will link that below. Please head on over there. The ladies there are really, really wonderful. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.